Hello coin collectors out there, welcome back to the Big D Coins channel. Hopefully everyone is having a great day as always. Now mostly on the channel we do United States coins, but this video we are going to look at some Canadian pennies up at the top row right here and some United Kingdom pennies down at the bottom row right here. Also for the second half of the video, or kind of toward the end, we'll get into these coins right here. We've got a 5 pence, a 20 pence, a 10 pence, and a 2 pence, as well as a 1 pence coin, this one right here, which are all part of the Shield Reverse series. So a lot of cool stuff, especially those of you who watch the channel from the United States might not have seen these coins before. Now, interestingly, what I did to select these coins right here is I matched up the date with a Canadian penny. So this one's 2002, and this one right here, UK, is 2002. So 2004, 2004, 2008, 2008. Now these two right here are going to be the same, and these two right here are going to be the same, but these two will be different, and these two will be different. So that's my rationale for why I decided on 2002, 4, and 8 as far as the coins to look at. Let's start it off by looking at the Canadian pennies. We will zoom it in and zoom it in a little bit more. We'll start on this side right here, the reverse side of the coin. We can see the one on the left does not have the date on the reverse side. Let me try and get them all in the shot, but still be zoomed in. All right, so let's start with this one right here at the top left. That is what's called a circulating commemorative coin. So it was made in very large quantities. However, it was made to commemorate a specific event and was made in just 1 year. So this coin on the top left was made to commemorate the 50th anniversary of the succession of Queen Elizabeth II. So that is what's known as the Golden Jubilee. So the 50th anniversary of Queen Elizabeth II taking over. On the reverse, you see a standard maple leaf and twig. It's surrounded with the face value and the inscription Canada. Now, there were a lot of these coins produced. There are 716 million of them that were made. You're going to have to get one that's in an uncirculated condition for it to be worth more than face value, for it to be worth selling it to someone else. When you flip it over, you also see a little bit of a different image right here on the obverse of the coin. Let me put these two side by side. So you see a little bit of a different image on the obverse right here. This one says 1952 to 2002, so it's got 2 dates on it. We see a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II. On the left right here, this is her at age 64. It's surrounded with the lettering Elizabeth II, and then D.G. Regina, which translates to Queen by the Grace of God. Then, of course, we see the dates 1952 and 2002. For the coin on the right, this one right here, these two were made, these are both 2000, we've got a 2004 and a 2008 right here. So 2004 to 2008, these are still the copper-plated zinc coins. Their value is just 1 cent, which translates to about 0.73 cents right now in the United States. So 1 Canadian cent is worth 0.73 United States cents. The same design was made from 2003 until 2012. On the obverse, we see Queen Elizabeth II. We see a portrait of her at age 77. So as far as the mintage for 2004, there are 645 million of them that were made. And in 2008, unfortunately, I don't have the mintages for you for 2008. So just 2004, there were 645 million of them that were made. All right, now we are on to the UK coins. Let me zoom out a little bit for you. So we've got a 2002, a 2004, and a 2008. Now the 2008 special, so we'll save that one for last, but let's look at these two. These are both the same design. So this design was used from 1998 up until 2008. Then we switched over to that circulating commemorative design. This coin right here, its value is 1 penny, which is abbreviated 1 GBP, which translates to about 1.3 United States cents. So A UK penny translates to 1.3 US cents. A Canadian penny translates to 0.73 United States cents. The metal content of the coin is a copper-plated steel. On the obverse, we see Queen Elizabeth II, Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II. She's wearing the Girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara. This is the 4th crown portrait of Queen Elizabeth II. The reverse side of the coin, a little bit more interesting. This is a crown portcullis with chains. It's an adaptation of the badge of Henry VII, which is now the badge of the Palace of Westminster. Let me zoom down a little bit to get you the mintages on these. So for 2002, there were 601 million of them that were made. And then in 2004, there were 739 million of them that were made. So very high mintages for all the coins that we've looked at so far. And then in 2008, that's when we got this coin right here. Now, people really don't like the obverse design of this right here. This is still the 4th crown portrait of Queen Elizabeth II. However, they've kind of changed up the details a little bit of it. So they've kind of zoomed in on her face a little bit more. So we can see the change from the portraits right here. This is her at the same age. However, it's a slightly different design that is used. So this is Queen Elizabeth II. This reverse design, this shield right here, this was used from 2008 until 2015. It's got the same metal content of copper-plated steel. As far as the mintage in 2008 goes, the first year that they came out, which is the year that this coin is right here, there were 507 million of them that were made. There were also proof coins, which we're going to look at a little bit later in this video. We'll skip the proof 1 penny coin because it looks just like this one right here, but we'll get on some of those higher denomination shield reverses. So the shield reverse, essentially what they were intending to do is that you could put all of the coins together and it would make up the shield. Now I'm missing some of them, but you kind of get the idea that if you put all these coins together, it makes the shield of the United Kingdom or of England. I'm not sure which one. However, the criticism of this design came when that people realized that one individual coin didn't really represent much itself. You had to put them all together. So if you just look at this coin right here, all you'll see is parts of lions. So people didn't like that. They thought it'd be cool if one coin had its own unique design, but then you combined it and it made an even better design with all of them together. But you need all of them to get to that shield reverse. So let's first, we looked at the 1 pence. Now let's get into the 2 pence coin, which is going to be this big one right here. Now again, this is the proof coin, but I'll give you the mintages on the circulating coin in case you are much more likely to have the circulating coin in front of you. So for 2008, there are 241 million of these that were made. On the reverse design, we see the top right section of the Royal Shield of Arms with the denomination up top right there. So that's the 2 pence. Now let's go in numeric order to the 5 pence coin right here. Now, the 5 pence featured the center section of the Royal Shield of Arms on the reverse side right here. And then on to the 10 pence. So we've seen the 1, 2, 5, and now on to the 10 pence. The 10 pence featured the upper left section of the Royal Shield of Arms. So this would be situated like that. And then we also have the final coin that I've got as part of this series is this one right here. So this one's worth 20 pence. So we've got a coin that is worth 20 times this right here. So this is a 1 penny coin. This is the 20 pence coin right here. Let me zoom in on that for you. Now this is a proof coin, so it's rather shiny. It's hard for me to get the lighting right just based on the glare that comes out of it. But on the reverse design right here, we feature a crowned Tudor rose dividing the date and the legend with the, excuse me, that is the wrong version right there. So we see another piece of the shield right here. The normal 20 pence coin has the crowned Tudor rose. This one right here has the shield reverse. On all of these, we feature Queen Elizabeth II. So let's quickly recap the coins that we looked at so far. I will try and get you that info on the actual 2008 20 pence coin. All right, but let's skip over that. So we featured the 20 pence coin, this one right here. We featured the 10 pence coin, the 5 pence coin, the 2 pence coin, and to start it all off, we looked at the 2008 1 pence coin right here, as well as the 2008 Canadian penny, so side by side. And then we had the 2004 United Kingdom penny and the 2004 Canadian penny. Very cool, side by side right there. And then to start it all off, we had the circulating commemorative coin to represent the 50th anniversary, the 50th Golden Jubilee, the anniversary of Queen Elizabeth II taking the throne. And then we had a 2002 United Kingdom 1 penny coin as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, everyone. Take care and best of luck coin collecting out there. Enjoy.